The press here reminds me of my own dabbling in journalism. Audacious, free, and scandalous.
Oh, the fervor of a loving throng's adoration. What monarch has not dreamed of leaving such an imprint upon the ages of time? Today, we make history.
It's a concept dish. A beautifully presented twist on everything explorers have ever had to survive on. They made it especially for a royal banquet in Unveils, but apparently one of the guests stormed off, so the whole thing had to be cancelled.
They're only waiting for you to come to the ceremony. Do you really want to make your queen wait? What a splendid venue. The perfect shrine for this momentous occasion. Let the inauguration begin.
What an occasion! The splendor, the pomp, the royal guards parading are so proud and also attractive.
Pray, commemorate the moment. Let all future times remember this instant.
Extra, extra!